Welcome to the Survey of Sexual Victimization, SSV Web Respondent Tool. This platform is designed to facilitate the reporting of data for the SSV survey in a secure and user-friendly manner. Let's start by exploring the main features of the SSV website, beginning with the login page. At the top of the page, you will find the Contact Us tab, which allows you to reach staff for assistance whenever you need help. Additionally, there are 4 tutorial videos available to guide you through the process of reporting your data. On the bottom left side of the page, you will see links to download all SSV forms and a spreadsheet. You can save these documents to your computer, fill them out at your convenience, and later upload them to the website. Alternatively, you can enter your data directly into the site once you log in. You should have received your facility's user ID either by email or through a letter mailed to you. If you do not have your user ID, please contact the support team for assistance. At the bottom of the login page, please note the following message. After 15 minutes of inactivity, you will be automatically logged out. However, your data will be saved and restored when you log back in. To begin reporting your data, enter the user ID provided to you and click the Login button. The next screen will prompt you to enter your email address so that a verification code can be sent. This step is required to access the survey. After clicking the Next button, you will receive an 8-digit verification code via email, which you must enter on the screen to proceed. Please note that logging out does not affect your user ID. To log in again, use your same user ID to receive a newly generated verification code via email. Verification codes are only sent to the original registered email address. To update your email, please contact us. On the following screen, you will be asked to confirm your facility or agency name for our records. If the name is correct, select Yes. If it is not correct, select No and update the correct name in the provided box. Then click the Save and Continue button to proceed. Once you reach the main dashboard, you can review the FAQs if you have any concerns, view all PREA definitions, and access both the Contact Us and Tutorial tabs. Be sure to review all 3 action items. When your data has been verified and finalized, the bottom Submit button will turn green and become active. After submission, all data will be locked and you will not be able to make changes. If you find out later that updates are needed, please contact the support team to either update the data for you or unlock the form so you can revise and resubmit. Remember to save a copy of your forms for your records.